Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Libra 8 sign for the month of December, and this is general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, and this is general. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your messages, Libra. Your first card, Hermit. Four of Wands, Nine of Cups. I think one person in this connection right now undergoing some spiritual awakening, and this person is not talking to the other person, and this could be your recent past also. But one person want this connection in this relationship, and you both could be twin flames also. And one person in this connection is wishing their wishes. This connection definitely wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is here, and Four of Wands. Definitely their wishes are going to be granted. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see who's this person. And you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Virgo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see what's going. Libra. Yeah, Ten of Swords, Two of Swords, Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think one person in this connection is sneaky, maybe lied to you, cheated on you. That's why you're not talking to your person. Definitely there are some painful endings for some Libra between you and your person. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely your person may be at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they didn't. That's why the separation is happened for some, because your person may be sneaky, maybe tell lies to you. Seven of Swords energy, this is very sneaky energy. So that's why there is some, for some there is no contact, for some there is separation. That's why you don't talk your person right now. You are not talking to your person right now, but your person want this connection, want you back, because Nine of Cups with Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Definitely you will be like this. That's why you are not talking to your person, because your person is sneaky, Libra. So Ace of Cups, Six of Swords, Chariot. I think you are loving yourself, you are doing self-love for some, but for some your person realized that they have strong emotions for you after the separation. Definitely this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. And Chariot, you or your person could be Cancer also. Definitely this very slow moving energy, but still there is a movement. Your person want to take this relationship to next level, but you are moving towards calm waters. Yeah, I think you are leaving this all and you are moving on for some Libra, because you are loving yourself. You're giving priority to yourself. You are more important than anyone else. So let's see some more. See, two cards are popped. The Moon with Nine of Pentacles. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection, and you stand by your power. Definitely you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Definitely you stand by your power. You gain this. For some, you are concentrating on your career right now, and you want to achieve this stability. Definitely you will get this success. If you are not now, definitely in near future you will definitely get this success, Libra. The Moon, you or your person could be Pisces also. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. I think your person sneaky. For some it could be third party also. Your person may be not telling about that third party. They are playing mind games with you. That's why there is some separation, some painful endings between both of you. Yeah, you are heartbroken. Definitely you move on from your person. You move on already. You stand by your power. You're working on yourself, Libra. For some there is separation, definitely. So let's see your person. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. First we will see their current feelings. Five of Wands, King of Cups, Hanged Woman. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They are ready to fight for your attention. They are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. They are stuck on you. Yes. They don't know what to do. They are thinking about you a lot and they want to offer this cup of love to you. But you know what your person is, definitely. That's why you walked away. For some there are painful endings. If there is no third party, for some there is chance for new beginnings. Yeah, your person ready to fight for your attention, Libra. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Queen of Pentacles, Princess of Wands, Magician. Yeah, your person could be manipulator. There is no doubt, because Seven of Swords, the Magician, definitely they are trying to manifest you back again. And Princess of Wands, definitely one person in this connection anger than the other person, and they want to share their love with you. Princess of Wands, yeah, they're very passionate about you. They want to send some messages. Yeah, they're trying to manifest you. They're trying to manifesting you back in their life. Yeah. But be careful if your person is sneaky. But you stand by your power. Definitely you stand by your power. If you allow, your person will come. If you are not allowed, definitely they will not come towards you if you don't allow. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. If your person is sneaky, don't allow them, because they are playing games with you. Yeah, 10 of Swords 2 times. Death. Scorpio, you or your person could be. Judgment. Yeah, I think you are not going to accept this offer anymore, because you made your decision, Judgment, but your person feeling very, very sad for the painful endings. Death. I think your person may be undergoing some spiritual awakening, some healing process, but you made your decision, and definitely you are not going to accept their offer, because they are sneaky. They are in and out of your life. There is no stability. There is no equal give and take in this connection. They are juggling. Yeah. Because there is no commitment. There is no long-term commitment. For some, very few, will be reconciliation, but most of you, I think you are not going to accept this offer. If you are in third party. Libra. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But your person trying to manipulate you again. If you give them second chance, definitely they will manipulate you again. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. So for some, your person may be not sneaky, maybe not manipulated, depending upon your situation. If you are in third party, definitely your person is sneaky. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So 3 of Wands, your overall energy for the week. 9 of Wands. Yeah. High Priestess, you are listening to your higher self, Libra. And definitely there is no equal give and take. You only the one person always giving in this connection. Yes, you are now guarded up. You are now protecting your heart and emotions. You don't want to waste your emotions towards this person. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship, and you turn your back from your person. Yeah, you turn your back. And for some, this could be long distance relationship. Both live in different cities, different countries and different states. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are listening to higher self. Wow. Libra. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 10 of Pentacles, Emperor, Star, Strength. Yeah, they are still hoping for this connection. And I think for some, your person may be stubborn and they want to offer stability. For some, your person may be not sneaky. For them, it is okay to accept. For who know already that your person playing games with you, that your person put you in third party, definitely don't give another chance to your person. Okay, if you give another chance, they will again manipulate you. So it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.